Good morning, student. How are you? Now, in maths health class, new chapter I am going to start. Before that, I have talked about division of polynomial 14.2, 14.3, 14.1. Only little bit question are there, but 14.3 that chapter are very important chapter. Now, this chapter quadratic equation 15th chapter are very important for the senior classes. So, first I am going to define what is quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Maybe any chapter, suppose in light, physics you are studying light, first question is that what is the light? So similarly, if you are going to study quadratic equation, first question is that what do you mean by quadratic equation? See that an equation in form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 where a not equal to 0 known as quadratic equation of variable x, where a, b and c are constant. Means an equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c where a is equal to 0, where a not equal to 0 known as quadratic equation of variable x, where a, b, c are called constant. Example, 3x square plus 4x plus 8 is equal to 0. Second, x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. X square minus x minus 6 is equal to 0, etc. Many examples. See that I have written where a not equal to 0. A means coefficient of x square, b means coefficient of x, c constant. Suppose that this term will be 0, if multiply by 0, then whole term will be 0, and this equation is known as linear equation. Why it is called linear? Because variable power is 1. Now, see that only equation 2x minus 3 equal to 0, x 2x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3 by 2. This equation is a linear equation, x having only one solution. Linear equation have one solution, whereas quadratic equation having two solutions or two roots. So remember that. See, what is the way of factorization or solving the quadratic equation? Very easy method I am going to explain, and this definition and example you have to write on your paper copy. The easy method I am going to explain. See that this ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, known as standard form of quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, known as quadratic equation of, it is a standard form of the quadratic equation. Now same equation if I write like that way, fx ax square plus bx plus c, then name will be changed. This is quadratic function. This one is the called function. Suppose if I write on the place of xt, then it will be at square plus bt plus c. If same equation ax square plus bx plus c, this is called quadratic expression, algebraic expression, quadratic expression it is called. Okay. Suppose an equation given in form of 2x square plus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation, but fx 2x square plus 5x plus 3, this is quadratic function. If we put the value of x 2, then it will be 2 into 2 square, 5 into 2 plus 3. You can find the value of that. So what is the method of solving the quadratic equation? See that rule I am going to explain. First you find a into c, suppose that d, suppose or let. Okay, a into c you multiply so that something will come. So I suppose that this coming d. Now rule first rule. If in front of c plus sign is there, if c is positive, in front of c plus sign means c is positive, then sum of factors of d should be equal to b. If c is positive, then sum of the factors of d should be equal to b. Second, if c is negative, then difference of factors of d should be equal to b. What is b? b is the coefficient of x. A is the coefficient of x square. C is constant. This two rule is very useful for the solving question not only in 8th class, even in 9th class and 10th class. Two method only. Suppose that your equation are given in the fraction. Maybe some part left hand side, some part right hand side. You have to make that equation by solving in standard form. When the equation coming in standard form, then you apply this rule. Then you easily find the solution. It's quadratic equation having two solutions. Now see some question I am going to explain here. See, one example I have given, x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Compare a value is 1, b value minus 5, c value is 6. First rule is that a into c means 1 into 6 is equal to 6. Factorize c in two parts whose sum is factorize d. This one equal to d. Factorize 6 in two parts whose sum is in front of c, see that plus sign, plus rule. The sum of the factors of d means 6. What are the factors? 3 into 2. 3 plus 2. Sum of the factors of d should be equal to b. b means 5. See that? Means if you compare, I have written here value, positive value, it is coming minus 5, means 5. Okay? Don't worry about this sign. Only you worry about this sign. Okay? Don't think that here minus. Okay? Let here plus minus. Only you see this sign in front of C. What sign is that? Okay? Now you apply your method. See that. X square minus sign, then minus. What factor are coming here? 3 into 2. and 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2x x plus 6 is equal to 0. See that? If you simplify this one, 3 plus 2, it will come minus 5. Minus already here. Same. I am not changing. Don't write here minus or plus. Only whatever sign you write here. What are the factors are coming? According to rule, sum and difference of the factor you mention here. Sum then plus, difference there minus. I will explain one more question. See that? Then x square minus 3x minus into plus minus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now see that in this make a group by grouping, factorize this one. See that x is common. X minus 3, here minus 2 is common. X plus 6 minus common, then minus 3 is equal to 0. Now x minus 3 common. What is remaining? X minus 2 is equal to 0. You know that if a into b is equal to 0, this implies that a equal to 0 and b equal to 0. Same rule I am going to apply here. If x minus 3 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 3. And x minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. See that x having two solutions, x value is coming 3 and 2. Means if you put the value of x in this equation, left hand side value will be equal to right hand side. See that? Any means 3 and 2 both are called solution of this equation or roots of this equation. See that? It is not necessary that you have to mention this one on your copy. This work you will do on the rough copy or rough one. This is solution. Now I am going to put here 3. 3 square minus 5 into 3 plus 6. 3 square 9 minus 15 plus 6. 9 and 6, 15 minus 15 is equal to 0. Right hand side. It means 3 is the solution of this equation. Similarly, you put 2, 4, here 10, 5 to is 10 plus 6, 6 and 4 10 minus 10 0. Means both are the solution of the equation. This is according to the first rule when C is positive. Now, same question, only little bit change I will make. See that? Yeah. Minus. In front of C now, minus sign is there. 6 1 ja 6. 6. Factor of 6, 3 into 2. And their difference is 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 1 means what? Coefficient of x. So you can factorize that one. See that? X square minus 3 minus 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. 3 minus 2 1, 3 2 is 6. In front of C, difference of the factors. Okay. Now x square minus 3x minus plus 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. X common x minus 3 plus 2 common x minus 3 is equal to 0. X minus 3 and x plus 2 is equal to 0. If x minus 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to 3 and x plus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2. It's having solution x is equal to 3 and 2 solution. Okay. Now I am moving toward exercise question. See exercise question number first. 15 exercise 15.1. So this rule and method I had explained to solve quadratic equation. Now exercise 15.1. See first question. Given x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. 2 1 ja 2. In front of c, standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Already given in this form. Then factor will be x square minus 2 plus 1. 2 1 ja 2. 2 plus 1 3. X plus 2 is equal to 0. X square minus 2x minus plus 2 is equal to 0. Now here x is a common. X minus 2, nothing is common means 1 is a common. X minus 2 is equal to 0. Minus common we are taking, so plus sign changing to the minus. Now x minus 2, x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now if x minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2, and x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. Means answer x having two value 1 and 2. Already I told that it's quadratic equation, so it's having two solutions. Now question number second. Question number second given and easy method. Okay, when you solve 1 2 question easily you can find the answer. Question number 2. Given x square plus 6 is equal to 5x. See that this equation is not given in this form. You have to change this equation in its standard form. How? See that x square plus this side it will be minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Perhaps this question I had explained as an example. Factor of 6, 3 2 ja 6. Whose sum is 5, 3 plus 2. I had explained this question. Now see question number 4. Question number 4. Given 2y square plus 12 minus 5y. See that this question also not given in this form. You have to make it 2y square minus this side plus 5y plus this side minus 12. 0. Now follow this rule a into c. A value is 2, c value is 12. What is coming? 24. This is d value. This is value of d, 24. Now factorize d in two parts whose sum difference of the factor should be equal to 5. 8 into 3, 24. 8 minus 3, 5 is coming. Now 2y square plus 8 minus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0. 2y square plus 8y minus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0. 2y is a common, y plus 4 minus 3 is a common, y plus 4 is equal to 0. Now y plus 4 is a common, y plus 4 is a common. What is remaining? 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. Now if y plus 4 is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 4, and 2y minus 3 is equal to 0, 2y is equal to 3, y is equal to 3 by 2. See, each having two solutions, y value is minus 4 and 3 by 2. So your homework is that, you have to solve 1 to 6 question of this exercise, and whatever rule and method I had explained, you have to prepare and learn the rule and practice some example. On the basis of that rule, don't solve according to book method. Okay, you have to solve according to whatever rule I had explained. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.